Hey guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. This manicure is a 6 layer and I'm gonna show you how to remove it. So if you still struggle while removing your nail polish and you just make a mess, don't worry. I'm gonna show you how to solve it. We're gonna need nail polish remover. This is acetone free from OPI. We're gonna need a cotton pad. It can be round or square, and cotton balls, which are my favorites for this technique. We're also going to need aluminum foil, and you can cut it in little rectangles. So the first option will be using this aluminum foil. Here we have the cotton pad just dipped into nail polish remover, and we're going to wrap it with aluminum foil. We're going to repeat the same thing in the middle finger, and just to show you the difference, I'm going to do my index and my thumb with cotton balls. So I'm going to stretch it a little bit, and as you see, it fits perfectly in my nail, and then I'm gonna wrap it with the aluminum foil. We're gonna just wait for the product to make effect for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna just clean the residue with a Q-tip if we have. As you see in these two other nails, I don't have any residue, and you see how the cotton ball is full of polish. Now for the second option, we're gonna use this gel remover clips. This I got them from Amazon. These are a set of 10 pieces. It's very easy to use. It's plastic. So we're gonna stretch our cotton ball, and we're gonna put some polish remover, and we're gonna just clip this into our nails. So we're gonna repeat the process for all the nails. As you see, this design has a lot of black polish, and voila, it's completely clean. As you see, all the design got in the cotton ball, and you just need to press a little bit into the nail, and if you have any residue, you can use the same cotton ball just to remove it. And this is the final result. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you next time.